Yeah, let's see if we get the sound now here as we get into it one more time. Okay, let's test it here. Okay, good. Perfect. All right. Sorry about that, folks. All right. How do I like CGC long? Let's take a look at it. I haven't seen CGC today, so I'll take a look at it right now here. Just let me tidy up the desktop here. Okay, there we go. CGC. Take a look at it here. C, G, and C. Google reports today as well. There's the CGC trade. Yeah, I like it right here at 51, actually. 51, Luis. 51 looks good. PYX, let's take a look at PYX. Yep, real nice. Hardly any volume, and then it makes that big move higher. Probably just stay away and watch that one. Justin? TNKS. Yeah, thanks. Okay, no problem. I got it. Ellie at 82.70. No volume in that stock at all. Okay, we're going to watch these here. Pizza, I like over 42.50. I'm going to list that here. This is going to be the PZZA long. PZZA long over 42.50. 42.50. So we'll watch PZZA. I'll put the level 2 there. Okay, there we go. Move that up just a little bit. There we go. Perfect. Tesla pulling back down. Again, SYY would be a trade if it gets up to 67. We'll be watching that as well. And Facebook. Let's take a look at Facebook. Yeah, Facebook looks real good. What is that? 169 over 169? Okay. Now, let's just wait here on this PZZA trade. Market obviously a little slow as we come back from lunch, but still looking very well.
Hi, Scott. Hi, traders. What's up?
What's going on, Amir? How are you this afternoon?
Pretty good. Good opening of the week. Hey, Luis. Yeah, it was a good movement today, huh? Lots of stock. Was waiting for the weekend to move. I think Apple.
Yeah, I mean, it's been great this morning. Been very nice this morning. Now we're just a little slow coming back. I'm just still looking around for some more opportunities. Possibility on TLRY.
I did a beautiful trade there. I did the TLRY from 87 earlier. There was a beautiful place around the VWAP. Was just beautiful, and yeah, I think it getting right now to the same area. And Roku had an amazing move today. Roku and pizza. What's going on? They discovered the cheese. What's happening, pizza?
Well, they had a CEO change. I know that, and that's been positive for the stock. And we'll see if that continues here. I want to take it at 42.50 at the break higher here, right past the VWAP. And I'm also watching SYY. I'm going to put SYY level 2 over here. We've already announced this prior to the lunch hour here. SYY over 67. And that's going to be the level 2 that's to the right here, right in here. So we'll wait for that one. We'll wait on pizza. And then again, if Amir's got anything here that we can look at, we'll do that. If not, we'll wait and see what we can get this afternoon.
What do you think about Yelp above 37.81 on 15 minutes? Yeah, exactly. This candle is on the view up. So if we're going to go above it, 37.81, we can use the low of this candle. How much is it? 66. So approximately 20 cents. Good volume in Yelp. I think there was a good formation on the daily. I think I saw it on Sunday. So I think Yelp, guys, it's right now, I'm going to write it, but approximately this is the area, 37.81. So 83 is okay also, at 15 cents stop.
Now pizza's actually coming down. Let's take a look at CNC, Justin. Sure. Let's take a look at CNC. Yep, 129. I'll take the trade, I think. Got a huge breakdown here below 130. That would have been nice. Let's see if we can take this here at 129 break. So I'll post it here as a short CNC 129 break to the downside. I'm shorting the stock right here.
The market is in new highs, Scott.
Just wait for it. It should change.
Look at the market.
Yeah, it is.
Apple is very...
Okay, watching CNC here again. 129 break, and we're going to be in this. Okay, watch CNC here. 9 cents to go before we get in. 9 cents. Okay, here we go. CNC in the short trade. Here we go. CNC. Still waiting on it here. I'm looking for 40 cents on the trade. 40 cents on the CNC trade. 40 cents. Still with it. Again, it's going to be 129.70 is going to be my stop loss here. Still decent volume on the way down here on CNC on the short trade here. 129 entry on CNC. Got to get down there again.
I'm watching ELLI above the round number with approximately 40 cents.
Come on, CNC, drop now. Tesla, yes, it's right here. I mean, it's going to take the top off here. The entry on Tesla would be over this candle right here. 315.30, 315.30. Come on, CNC, drop for us here.
You can Yelp start and do the move. We want to see Yelp going above the number. We're in a big stop, 15 cents. So I want to see if we can actually go over the high. Daily looks good.
Which one is it, Amir? I'm sorry. Ellie?
No, Yelp. Yelp.
Oh, Yelp. Okay, yeah.
Yelp.
Switch it up over here. Okay, I don't need the CNC level 2 anymore. So I'm already in that trade, and I'm watching the SYY, and then we'll take a look at Yelp here. Let's see, Yelp. Okay, right here, I'll put it YELP. Here's what Yelp looks like. So you're taking Yelp long, I think, right?
Yeah, we took it above 80, above 81, 15 cents stop.
Okay. And you got $38 right there, so we'll watch it, see if it goes. And here comes exactly. CNC to the downside.
Twitter and ABNB. Let's see, Twitter. ABNB. It's like a 70-cent spread. Look at the spread there. I don't think it's for us. 300 and something dollar stock. XLG. It's funny that you mentioned because I was watching Sergi, I don't know right now, but I was watching also the other friends, and they look different. Guild, GILD, for example. Look at GILD, and so probably there is something just going on in Sergi. It doesn't influence the other one. I know, yeah. So Guild is strong, and Amgen is fixing now, so. If you want to see group of stock, I miss them all day, even though they were on my screen. All the data information, WDC, STX, NTAP. 3 of them were Momentum Friday, was supposed to be on our screen. I didn't pay attention so much. So all of them are really strong today, and they just continue. Look at the daily, just continue the trend of Friday. I don't think we can deserve a pullback there. But this is something that was, it's almost like leaving money on the floor, really. Just need to watch them, find the right moment, and that's it. EA. Yeah, so EA today. I took the formation above the VWAP. This is the number. I didn't see which number you said. Oh yeah, I like this. I like this formation. I really like it. Nice one. So let's see what's going on in the other sector. GME. GME. If you see GME, I saw it on Sunday. GME has an amazing bear flag formation on daily with humongous amount of shorts, but because it's so obvious, it was almost sure that it will be bought a little bit today. What's happened tomorrow, I don't know, but look at the daily of GME. Really nice.
Come on, CNC. Tesla getting close up here now, and Yelp just kind of going sideways. We're still early. It's just 2:15, so no big deal right now. Let's just continue to watch this, continue to wait. I'm short CNC at 129. I'm underwater just a little bit on the trade.
ELLI is pretty close. I don't have problem with the spreads, where we have a decent stop, so it's fine. Yeah, Robert, Rocco is on my screen, but it doesn't mean that every time stock is coming to the view up, we should salute it. Still need to get the formation, finish the candle, and need to be looked good. Okay, the bid didn't pass yet, the 83 in ELLI. Look at the level 2. The ask is above, the bid still not there. And this is why you don't see it jumping yet. Roku for a short. Good luck. This is what I don't think. Yeah. I don't think it's. I will think about Roku for sure.
Okay, here comes our money now on CNC. Again, looking for that 128.60 area on CNC, 128.65, right around in there.
Okay, ELLI is in. Now let's see if the spreads are our friends. Somebody heard me and asked me if I'm joking. How can spread can be your friend? Because everybody is just afraid of the spread. But sometimes the spread, if you have a good trigger, they just move the stock. They just cause the stock to move pretty fast. If it's supposed to move by cent, sometimes it takes forever, but if it's a good trigger, so the spread will help. So let's see. We have almost 20 cents, but we need much more in ELLI. In Yelp, almost there. Even your CNC, Scott, has a love story with the 129, huh? She doesn't want to leave it.
Yeah. Turned a little bit green there on that downward bar, and then now nothing. You know? Still trying to get down about 40 cents here. Yep.
You know, Jack, I'm looking at the bid, the ask. We're not in the position of partial ELLI. We're just adjusting the trade right now. Okay. Okay. You see, guys, the level 2 in ELLI? Suddenly we are almost at the 30. Start to look nice. Around 65.70 we have some resistance, and the high of the day is 84. So, and the daily looks amazing. Amazing volume today. We need patience. Luis, I have a great idea for you. Don't you have a screen on your home? Just put the charts of the stock that we're talking about, you know. Oh, you're new, so you don't know that I'm cynical sometimes. So good. Nice to meet you. And sometimes we show the chart, sometimes we talk about things, so you can just hear us and place the charts. Mentor, you need a mentor. So you're the right guy in the right moment. We're gonna use you.
Okay, come on, CNC. Pay the bills, baby. Pay the bills.
I heard, Scott, a little bit, Michael, that he actually watched the football and he's very familiar with the material. I didn't know that. That Michael is a fan. Meir, I know, and his wife is also is looking at this also. I remember he told me once, you know, his wife is very, I don't even know the rules. I just know that.
He said that he stayed up for the majority of the night, and it was the lowest scoring Super Bowl in the history of the Super Bowl. So it was not a lot of excitement. Let's put it that way.
How long it to take the game?
About 3 hours.
Wow. I read that Maroon 5 were in, so I know some details. You know, Maroon 5 were doing the show, and I know that Brady has a beautiful wife, very famous, and that's it. This is all I know.
All of those things are true.
Yeah, I know, I see. Yeah. Okay, Yelp is doing a bull flag on the 38th. LLI.
Come on. CNC just wasting our time here. Wasting our time.
Yelp, I'm bringing my stop under 77. So I'm actually giving myself 5 cents stop. No, the volume was, you can see that the market is going high all the time. And, okay guys, the ask is past the 30 cents, good. In ELLI, I thought it will be much faster, but look at the spread right now, it's just 6 cents. It means that somebody that want to sell, everybody come to, okay, look at this, 40 cents in ELLI. If you read the tape, you actually can see it. You know, the spread was small, so it shows the strength. I didn't ask who took ELLI. Who is there? Okay, good. It start to do something. 40 cents. I'm starting to be happy. I'm looking to see if we're gonna get to the high.
Yep. Yelp real slow right now. Same thing with CNC. Still sticking in here on the trades though. Okay, CGC, just a big move up now. 129.70 is where my stop loss is. 129.70.
Guys, Veil is tradable? Looks to me like it's tradable, but check if it's tradable. Veil. Yes? Okay. I think what I want to do is Veil is very small stop, and I want to take it, like 7 cents, under the 98. A trigger is basically under 99, but I want to confirm that we actually break. Since the stop is so small, we can take a nice amount there. ELLI, we're getting into the 50 cents profits. Okay, ELLI. Remember, guys, spread is your friend. 70 cents.
Yeah.
Friend.
Nice. Nice trade.
Yeah. Yeah, it's lovely. Yeah.
Traders, I'm going to take one more trade here. I'm going to move. Yelp looks good now, Amir. I'm going to take this SQ trade over 72. This is going to be probably a slow trade. Don't forget, I'm still in the CNC trade. Tesla I'll remove from here. We'll take CNC. We'll move it over here. SQ will be right here. SQ's trade is going to be over 72. This is going to be a long SQ, long over 72. I'll make the announcement here in the room. This is going to be an SQ trade long 72.
If it wasn't so slow, Scott, in Yelp, I would even add above the round number, but it's moving so slow, so I don't just want to do nothing. It's in the money, so I don't want to interrupt it. Really. Omer, the answer is very simple. We just came. That's it. It's too sophisticated, your answer, your questions. Was a good pattern, and there was nothing above this pattern. It was a good risk reward, and we actually can see it right now. That's it. I don't even try to think what caused it, or I don't care. You suggested earlier? Okay. What trigger? Same trigger?
Here we go on CNC. Come on, baby. It's going to be payday in a nice way here. I really think so. $60 is going to be my cover point. 12860. Maybe 64, right around in there. Somewhere in there is where I'm going to cover this trade, this short. Traders, I'll be right back. Just give me one moment.
Yeah, I see where you saw it, Omar. Yeah, it was a good. in the trigger of PLLY, I'm gonna explain to you why I was interested. VWAP was a very resistant area, and few candles before we entered, we just passed the VWAP, and then we did a version of bull flagging when the VWAP was turned to be the support. And of course, we used the round number, and the rest is history. You did a lot of trading today, guys.
Let's see. Here comes SQ. If you're in on the trade, on the SQ trade at 72, here we go. Here we go at 72. Entry is triggered.
You have less than a minute, Scott. If the next candle will go above, you're gonna get a good trade. Yeah.
I sure hope so. Here we go.
Oh yeah.
Come on, baby. So traders, I am long SQ, I am short CNC, my two trades so far this afternoon. Well, slow, slow, and slow. That's about it right now. Still in the CNC trade. Traders, I think when this gets down to that 128.75, 128.78 mark, I'm going to let it go here. It's not doing what I thought it was going to do originally. See if it comes down one more time here.
Google has earning today after.
Yeah.
These are the stocks
should make or break the week,
interested.
really.
Yeah. Google, STX, MOS. What else do we have? These are stocks that have earning today. Let's see tomorrow before market. Oh, we have a lot. Let's see if we have something interesting. Hey, CNC, Scott, has earning tomorrow before market open.
Yep. I'll be finished with that stock by the end of today, though. Hopefully we get that break under 129 again here, and I'm going to come out. SQ really needs to go here. I'm just being patient with the trade, traders, looking for at least 30 cents to the upside. SQ down, CNC up, so they're doing the opposite here, what I need them to do. AXSM, I haven't looked at it here, but I will. AXSM. Yep, just approaching that 10. Good break.
70 cents in ELLI. Again, I'm waiting for the 84. Okay, guys, 85 cents on ELLI. Can prepare, take a partial before. I want to see how it's going to approach the 84, but looking good. I hope you're still there and didn't run away. We have this conversation, Jake, no? I think even a few times. Make yourself a hotkey, you know. Load half position. Each time you have the urge, and I know that you have the urge to sell, push the half and sell. Oh, this is a phase. Once you used to do it, now you're joking on it, so it's good. It's a progress, Jack. It's a progress. I know they did the wrong, but usually people don't care what is the stock doing. They have the urge to sell much as they can.
SQ going the wrong way now. 71.60, actually 71.50 on SQ. I hope you're right on this, on CNC here. I'm in at 129, just a penny out of the money right now. I'm going to probably let it go if I can get it down below 129 again. TLRY having some problems now, starting to fade. That AXSM at $10, still sitting there, doing nothing.
Let's see if Yelp can get a support here on the view up. I told you my stop was raised above 75. 5-cent stop, that's it.
Well, we're a little bit slow into the last hour here, coming up. 55 minutes left, traders.
A little bit, Scott. Except one stock, all the other one are sleeping. Yeah, you're underestimated, yeah. But it's good, when there's nothing to do. We don't trade. We have to pick the trade and CNC need one help from the market. Need to break the 80. And then it's going to do nicely. Then do nothing.
Now CNC, darn it, come on. Now I'm long SQ at 72, so I'm not going to be shorting the stock when it's up for the day. So TLRY, wicked move down now. Still looking at the, when you're looking overall at the SPY right now, we're still on highs and looking to break higher. So I want to stick with the trend, which is higher. CNC, both of them going the wrong direction now. Still holding in there. Still holding in there. I would think with the SPY looking like this at the top right now, top of the range here, 270, 150 coming up on, that we would see a move higher into the close here, which means staying long the market. Yeah, 12950 on CNC, I'll come out. Still hanging in there with SQ. The minute CNC comes under 129, I'm going to come out of the trade here. I feel like we're going to be going higher into the close. 2 trades right now, 2 red trades for me this afternoon so far.
Yeah, I'm watching it, Jack. Look at the level 2. Now the spread is 3 cents. Okay? So I want to get the $1 there. Yeah. We'll take partial 3/4, of course. And let's see where will be the stop after that. Gonna raise it under the 30, 83.30. $0.90 on the LLI. I already placed 97 in the system.
CNC going the wrong way here. I'm stuck in 2 trades right now. I do have my stop losses in, and that's important. SPY, if you're looking at this, traders, this is what you should be concentrating on. SPY at the top of the day here, about ready to break out. Could have a new high on the overall market today, Amir, breaking out here, which is a good thing.
Yeah. You saw Apple through the day that just, jump in. And I remember on Sunday, usually I like to do the research and see, and Apple was standing, I think, on the support of the 50, and probably not only me saw it, and it has a clear way, I think, until the 200 average. So, and Apple usually is carrying the market, so it was a good vibe. Okay, we have 91 on the ask. 6 more cents. Thank you, Jack. Okay, we have 96 on the ask. I want to see the bid going also. Okay, we have 98. The one we just posted earlier, I'm going to show you on the announcement. This one, the ELLY. We took it above 83. Now it's few cents from $1. Beautiful move. We are talking about, the ask, the bid, the spread, friends, thing like that. I got my partial in ELLI. I put it on 97. And yeah, got 3/4. I'm raising my stop under, under even the 50. 83.50, and that's it. Guys, the example of the ELLI, I'm telling you for what is a good example, and I'm going with student on this, on the mentoring. I told you at the beginning there was no reason to take a partial until the area of the 84 because this was the resistance. this was the place where, if you watch the chart, this is the only place you have a resistance. But as you know that there is going to be a resistance, you can attack this in two different ways. First, actually put in advance your partial. So I told you I put a few cents before 84, put 3/4, send the limit. It was waiting in the account manager and see what happened. The resistance was pretty strong, so from the 84 area, stock is dropping like 30 cents. So in a nice word, we nailed that partial. But you can see this in advance. It wasn't so complicated. Okay, mentor, I think we overphrase it, okay? It's going to lose the meaning, mentor. Let's cool it. But yeah, it was a good trade, not good luck. Luck was no connection here. No. Was a good trigger, was a good risk reward, and we had a good move. You're bored, huh, mentor? Look to me that you're bored.
Okay, traders, just about out of the SQ trade. CNC now coming back down. Maybe I'll get out of the CNC trade here.
Guys, did you trade today MGNX? I didn't trade it. I just saw the charts. And you did? I'm assuming you did it, most of you did on the downside, correct? Short, yeah. Correct. Was a good move there. But the best move was beautiful. Scott, can you put the chart for 1 second so we can see the entire day of MGNX?
Yeah, sure. Let's put MGNX right here, and then we're going to get ready for that Google earnings today. Would you say the daily or just the intraday?
No, the intraday. Look, how amazing. So there was a beautiful move there for the downside on MGNX. Now I don't see it, Scott. Can you put it that it will be in front, the MGNX? Thank you.
Right here.
And it was a beautiful short, but then see what happened. So it broke the 10, and everybody know 10. Everybody need to dump his merchandise because the institution, and it's dropped. Probably it brought more people there. But then look what happened there from 10. The big guys came, look at the volume, and just did like, how much? Like 15%. Amazing move. Beautiful tricks, beautiful number, different approach. So I didn't see this. I didn't see that stock. But it was beautiful trade. You actually can see the way they are thinking and the way they actually trade it. I've seen the announcement. Oh, you took it from 10.30, right? So you did like a 40 cents. Also a good one. So nicely, yeah, closed nicely. 11.50, it's point and a half on a $10 stocks. It's 15%. Yelp was good that we raised the stop. So we missed, I think I missed recent.
Well, still in the SQ trade right now and still in CNC. I don't think I'm going to have another trade for the day, traders. I really don't. CRON, Jake? Let me take a look at it. I'll give you my opinion on it. Don't forget you're going to be finishing, I think, towards the high of the day now on the SPY. So again, your best bet there. I would say if it holds 23, if it's over 23 or over the VWAP, yeah, you can hold some of it going into the close for tomorrow. SQ's kept me alive here. Microsoft, yeah. Here comes your Crone, actually, MSFT. Actually, Crone over 23 looks pretty good now. Let's see, MSFT, Microsoft. Yep. I mean, for a late trade, 105.50, and it looks like it's going to run higher here. I'm going to take this trade. Actually, I can't pass this up. This is going to be a Crone trade over 23, CRON. Kind of a late trade for me, but the setup looks really good here. Under the lows will be the stop loss here. Actually looking for maybe 2 points into the close. And still watching this, the darn CNC here and SQ. Here comes the entry now on CRON, 9 cents away on CRON. Okay, CRON looking close here again, 6 cents away. It's gonna be a late trade for me. I usually don't get into trades this late, but I think we take out 23 here and run higher. We shall see. $6 away. 18 minutes to go in the day. Still not in. Came up there, hit it, and came right back. Need it, Mark. Need it. Let me expand this here just to get it close here again. Watch the entry here. $23 entry. I'll give it about 5 minutes.
Guys, ELLI last quarter touched again the 84. I'm going to raise my stop right now under the 60. Last quarter.
Okay, if you're in the CRON, trade with me right now. If you're in the CRON, trade with me right now. My fill on CRON right at 23, and we gain now. To me, I'm going to pay attention a little bit to what Amir says, and just going to ride with it right now. My stop loss will be right here at the top of this candle, which is a 2262. I'll give it to 2260. I think we can get over the VWAP here. I think we can get higher, probably right up in this area here, this 2350, probably 2340 is where I'm going to take my take my profit. Austin, anytime, my friend. Good to have you here today.
Guys, just a reminder, 4 or 5, those who are still in play, the Forex session, 4 or 5, we're going to talk about what happened over the last week in the Forex, commodities, and futures market. So it's 4 or 5.
And traders, you're not going to want to miss it. I mean, Michael does a great job for us, and get to have some kind of one-on-one time with Michael here right after the close at 4:05. So make sure you do that. It's going to be right here, right in the room. I'm sure Michael, if you don't mind, Michael, also track that Google Alphabet's reporting after the bell. That could be a real differentiator for tomorrow's trading. So,
Michael loves earnings, Scott. You remember, Michael? We used to do the earning years ago. But it was a madness. It's better not to talk about it. Yeah.
We're going to see. I mean, if Google is going to move higher or lower, we're going to see the reflection on the futures. And of course, we're going to post the stock in the room after that. So, but I don't have Google on the platform. Actually, let's see. Maybe I can try to add it. But they don't have the aftermarket. Anyway, okay. So cannot use Google.
Scott, look at Roku with a sharp candle. Whoa.
Yep. Amazing. Look at also look at TLRY into the close. Roku's getting its butt handed to it here.
You know why?
I'm gonna give CRON 2 minutes, traders, and then I'm gonna be out of the trade regardless here. And CNC's got a penny to go before I get out. Okay, CRON looking great. 30 more seconds. I'm going to come out of this trade and button things up for the day. Remember, traders, tomorrow we'll get started 8:45 with Clifton with the new traders session. If you're new to the room and you're looking to find your way around, it's an excellent session. Puts it on every morning.
Give it
and
give it more time, Scott.
Okay, I'll
give it another
I will.
one. Yeah, the 25 is a crucial area. If you are passing the 25 right now, oh yeah.
Watch it here. That's the VWAP right here.
Yeah. VWAP, and you have a resistance like around 335 or something, I think. So
I just came out of the CNC trade with a loss. CNC was a loser for me.
New high in the market, Scott. Market finish on the high. With a nice
looks great.
Even the close is finish at the high. You know, it's not just the high of the day. We're actually finishing in the high of the day.
SPY's breaking out. SPY is breaking out now, traders. Those of you that have longs, the only thing you're going to get, the only thing that can disrupt you for a non-continuation for tomorrow is Google.
Or themselves. Or themselves.
Yeah, exactly.
Not everything, Francisco, not everything is skyrocket. Look at Apple, so you don't see totally correlation between market and all the stocks. In some point it's not, so.
I got half back of what I lost on CNC, but CRON continues to go. Yep, I'll give it a little bit more here.
Yeah.
I got about 2.5 minutes, traders, and I'm going to wait one more minute here to see if we get this break. 23.25. Unusual for me to be trading this late, but you know what? It was a great trade. I needed to take it. I took it. Now we're going to be defined by the VWAP line that it's trying to get through right now. 23.25 gets through that. We'll let it go for another minute and close things out with about 30 seconds to go.
This stock for a minute can move a big time, Scott. This is a stock that can move for a minute. Yeah, this is the 25. Oh yeah, let's see the 26. Oh yeah, ask. Let's see. Oh yeah, you passed it. Beautiful.
Nope. 2 minutes left in the day.
Beautiful trade. Yeah.
Okay, traders, I'm going to let it go 30 more seconds, and I'm going to pull out.
You're going to get your 50 cents of CNC, Scott. Exactly. Yep. What a beautiful. Nice.
Here we go, CRON. Yep. Well, everything's skyrocketing because of this right here. Look at that. Look at how beautiful that is into the close. So again, traders, something to think about here. If you are long stocks, like I said, this would be the day. If I was outside of earnings season, I would be holding on to longs here and probably swing trading a few of my long positions. But the only thing you're in the earnings season, and you've got a big earnings play in front of you tonight with Google. So, okay, I'm going to take the Cron off right here. CRON, I'm out, done with the day. All right. Amir, thank you so much. Michael, thank you. Gabriel, thank you. Clifton, Johnny, Luis, Pinchas, Tomas, Arseni, thank you so much for your support today. Traders, have a great night. God bless you. Stay tuned. Michael's up next with the Forex class, and I'll see everybody tomorrow morning. 8:45 with Clifton. I'll be here at 9:15. My friend Amir Barak will be with us tomorrow too at the bottom of the half hour at the 11 o'clock hour. So we'll see everybody then. Take care. Good night. Thank you so much. Thanks, Amir.
Good night, Scott. See you tomorrow. Good night, Amir.
Thanks, Michael.
Thanks, Scott. I'm going to stay for 1 minute. I want to see the Google if it's going to post immediately. But guys, have a good night. 2 trades. One, I raised my stop 2 cents, 3 cents lost in Yelp, and $1 in ELLY. Was just working according to the plan and was beautifully. And when there is something, we'll trade. And if not, we just don't trade. It's very simple. Good night, mental. Good night, guys. I'll see you tomorrow lunchtime. We're going to go over the trades. If you have question, ask. Again, don't ask me for trigger while we're doing this. After we're going to do